Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off the antivirus system in Windows 11. So for this you have to click on the start button and then you have to click on Windows, search for Windows Security. And here we are searching for Windows Security, and once you click on the Windows Security you have to wait for a few seconds. Then you have to click on the virus and threat protection from the left hand side. Then you have to click on the manage settings from here, and here you can easily turn off the antivirus system of your computer. And if you click on yes, and here you can see the real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. That means your antivirus is turned off now. And if you are using the third-party antivirus system, then what you can do is click on the arrow button in the taskbar, and here you will get the antivirus softwares, and you have to simply right click on it, and then you have to simply disable the option from there. So thank you very much for watching this video.